What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. As you can see, we had a huge dip in the crypto market, not just Baby Doge, everything is down. So we're going to be going over why exactly everything, including Baby Doge, is down. And we're also going to be going over some big things that's going on inside Baby Doge coin also. So we're going to be going over all this today. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go right over Baby Dogecoin. So as you can see, the bears are in control by 60% of the 24-hour market control, showing for the last 24 hours, we are bearish by 60%. Now, I do want to speak about a few things here with Baby Dogecoin. The first thing I want to mention here is, look, we are starting to do some recovery here. You can see some buying coming back in on the oscillator here, some positive buying volume. So it definitely looks like we're going to try to get back up here to that previous resistance. We do have red supply and demand areas showing that we have less demand here at the 1.8 area, and we're only at 1.740. So this could mean that we're going to go ahead and continue to trend down to the 1270 or actually 1260 support line. Like I said in my previous video, 1260 is a good point of support for us. So we may actually end up hitting that 1260 support. I want to mention another thing in here in Baby Doge. So we have actually confirmed that we were in a bear market since the end of October. So let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So you can see all the way up here at the top. This is where Baby Dogecoin peaked. We had a huge peak here, and it wasn't our all-time highs. You know, our all-time highs was actually reached way back here, you know, like when we launched. But this was the closest we got back to our all-time highs in a while. So I want to mention a few things here about Baby Doge. The first thing here, look, this was on the 30th of October. We peaked here with Baby Doge. We literally hit our peak. It was really on the 29th, but it was at nighttime. So, you know, somewhere around the 29th or the 30th, we ended up having that peak, you know? And look, we've been on that same downtrend ever since we've peaked. You can see we've been on the same downtrend here. We are even trying to consolidate out of it, but coming out of the consolidation, we were not able to break out of that consolidation into a positive trend line, which led us to continue to go down on this downtrend here. So you can see we're just going straight down, and it's staying literally on the line. It's literally staying up to par with the line. So you're definitely seeing that the trend line here is, you know, it's not going to be defeated right now. So the overall crypto market is going down, not just, you know, Baby Doge. You can see over here Bitcoin is trying to recover at 49K right now. Got Ethereum back at 4K. So everything's trying to recover. But yeah, what you're seeing here is Baby Doge just following this downtrend line. Bitcoin just following the downtrend line. Ethereum just following the downtrend line. Each of these cryptos have been following the same line for the longest time. So look at what we have here. I mean, it's actually kind of obvious when you look at it. You're like, oh wow, I did not notice this at first. But then when you look at it, you're like, wow, how did we not notice that we were going to go on a huge downtrend like this? So what can happen next with Baby Doge? So I just want to show what is very possible to happen next. So let me actually zoom out of here with Baby Doge, and let's just go over to the 4-hour chart. That'll show us this perspective from a better point of view, a bigger point of view, really. So right here, what I have with Baby Dogecoin, so 1260, that's going to be our support. Right now, they're predicting Bitcoin reaches like 30K. They're predicting that we have a huge, like a way bigger drop. And I'm going to go over that. And pretty much the whole reason why we're dropping is because of this prediction. So we could definitely see Baby Dogecoin go down to this area here, but I do not believe we will go down below the support line. Remember, if we go all the way down to this support line down here, we will be adding a 0. Let me say that again. If we go down to this support line here, so I know you all see this support line. It's the 193 support line. We would literally be adding another 0, a whole 0, and we would be going down a lot if we went all the way down there. But that's major support. So that's why I'm saying we more than likely will never go below this area here with Baby Doge. This is major support. I can't stress this enough how major the support is. Let's zoom out here so we can, you know, look at it from a different perspective. Like when you look at it, this is huge support. This is the kind of support that you get, and you just don't break it. You just don't break it. It's not going to break the support line. So major support down here, like I said, this is the 2-0 area. So that would be adding another 0, and then we would be at the 2-0 area. I would love Baby Dogecoin to reach that price. Let me tell you why. Like the dip that you could buy there, just so much. Like, and also the holders in Baby Dogecoin will not let Baby Doge get that low. Like, I'm telling you now, the holders are not gonna let Baby Dogecoin go that low. Now, I'm just kind of showing you what could happen if the holders start selling, and we could definitely, buy that dip. But no, Baby Doge Army is not gonna let that happen. Like, that is way too low. Like, if you understand this, is literally not 9 zeros. Like, we're at 8 zeros right now. We're at 8 zeros. That would be 9 zeros. Literally, that would be 9 zeros, and then the 2-0, 9 zeros and a 2-0. That's way too low. Like, I can understand 9 zeros, and then like all the way up here, like at the 9 area, like 9 zeros and then the 9. So we're like barely at 9 zeros, but all the way down to the 2. Like, no, I don't think Baby Doge Army is gonna let that happen. It's not possible with the market cap that we have and with all the holders that we have. It's not possible. It's physically and financially not possible for us to go that low. But let's move on here. I just wanted to make sure everyone knows, like, we are not going to be all the way down to above 100% from our all-time low, 100% above our all-time low. That's not going to happen. We're 1,700%, and the lowest you'll probably see it is 1,000%, but never 100. So anyways, let's move on from this and let's talk about why this happened. So this person right here, it's Bree or it's Bray, whoever this is, it's Bree or it's Bray 32. So shout out to this person. And they said this is the real reason for the crash. $300 billion Bitcoins sold out all over the crypto market. But let's just go over that. So over here, you can see $300 billion Bitcoin and crypto price crash after stark Fed warning. So let's just go right over it. Let's not even read all the fluff. Let's just read everything. So the sudden Bitcoin and crypto sell-off coming alongside some serious stock market declines follows a warning made by famed investor Louis Navellier that widely expected Federal Reserve tapering could burst the Bitcoin and crypto market. So I know you've been hearing a lot about the Federal Reserve tapering. And if you haven't, definitely follow Meet Kevin on YouTube and watch his videos. I'll watch all his videos, and he explains it very well. He explains it very well for everyone on there. So anyways, over here you can see crypto price prediction. We are predicting even lower Bitcoin here. So trillions of dollars they say is going to be leaving the market. Over here you can see the Fed is tapering, and this should create a correction in risk assets, which Bitcoin is a part of. So they're saying quite possibly 10K. Over here, look, Navellier warned that the Bitcoin price could drop below 10K per Bitcoin, a fall of more than 80%, which happens all the time. So anyways, over here, like, they're saying 28K to 10K. So anything can happen. And that's why I'm saying, like, when you look at Baby Dogecoin, like, Baby Doge, if it went all the way down this low, like, that would be a huge buying opportunity, like a huge buying opportunity. But what happens every time Bitcoin crashes? It always comes back, literally. And what does the altcoins do? They all follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin always crashes and Bitcoin always comes back, that inevitably means that altcoins always crash and altcoins always come back. The ones that actually have some, not utility, but actually have some community built around it. Because you don't really need community for altcoins. You really don't need utility for altcoins. You need community. Like, utilities is cool and all, and it works, and it's definitely something that you want to watch for. But the community is really what holds the coin together. But anyways, over here you can see that Bitcoin is taking a huge drop here, and we always do the same thing. We always have these drops around December, and sometimes we even have a rise in price action around December. So hopefully this drop isn't too bad, but remember the last drop that we had. Like, if you look at the last year for Bitcoin, like 29K. We were 29K back in July. So July wasn't too long ago. We're about 29K, 30K back in July. So just be patient. Remember earlier, like around the same time of this year, around the same time last year, we were at 19K. And look at how much that we've already went up by now. Like, just let Bitcoin do its thing, let it drop down to 30K, possibly 25K or 20K. Let it drop, and then once it does, come back in, buy back in on Baby Doge and whatever you're doing, and then continue to go and move on. That's literally all there is to it. Like, I'm not selling anything. I'm gonna hold everything. I actually bought the dip, and I'm gonna continue to buy the Baby Dogecoin dip, and yeah, I'm gonna continue to keep doing this. But yeah. Anyways, let's move on. So over here, you can see the holders are now at 1,020,716 people. That's a lot of people holding Baby Doge. Now, we do got big stuff going on here with Baby Doge in the listing. So presenting the new Kickstarter, or not Starker, but presenting the new Kickstarter session with Baby Dogecoin. So you can vote for Baby Dogecoin right now. So over here you can see vote with MX to get Baby Doge listed. Literally, we're about to get listed to MEXC Global. So all you got to do is vote for it, and then boom, we could quite possibly get listed over here. You can see ends over here around December 5th. The period is around December 5th. Estimated trading December 5th, somewhere around there. UTC. I'm not in UTC. I'm in Eastern Standard Time. But yeah. Anyways, looking over here, you can see MEXC Kickstarter vote to win free, and you can use all of this if you want to. You can not use all this. I mean, you can go over all of this if you want to, and you can see how you can join the Kickstarter. So this is pretty much how you would vote and do all that. I don't use MEXC, so I don't even know how to do all this. So this is up for you if you want to. I use you already know what I use. I use PancakeSwap. But anyways, let's move on. So Baby Doge donated $150,000 to the Animal League. This is another big thing that Baby Dogecoin's always doing. They're always supporting the dogs out there, and that's really what Baby Doge is about. They're about making sure these no-kill shelters will continue to have these dogs and not put them down and let them live their lives as Doges, Baby Doges. So shout out to Baby Doge for this. This is definitely really good. They're doing really good stuff. And who needs utility when you have stuff like this? A lot of people say Baby Doge has no utility. No, but Baby Doge has sentimental value, and that's really what matters. We have community and sentimental value. So shout out to Baby Doge for this. Now over here you can see Bit4X has Baby Dogecoin in the spotlight right now. So we're in the spotlight everywhere. We're trending inside Singapore, Germany, all that good stuff. And now we're in the spotlight for Bit4X, and we're getting listed to MEXC Global, whatever you want to call it. MEXC Global. I don't use it, so I don't even know how to pronounce it. Anyways, the Baby Doge Palm Map 2021 is still inside fruition. Nothing has changed. Actually, yeah, some things have changed. It's not going to be Palm Map 2021 no more. They're going to have to rebrand it to Palm Map 2022 because we're not going to get all this done by the end of the year. And I don't want to see the Baby Doge wallet be released while we're going down on a downtrend in the crypto market. I don't want to see any of this stuff being released while we're in this downtrend. Like, it would not be good, and it's just not going to help us out. This stuff is going to have to wait till next year, and until we start to continue to go back on an uptrend, this stuff is going to have to wait. But yeah, anyways, moving on. So the Baby Doge wallet, the physical and virtual debit cards, all that good stuff, in exchange of Baby Doge Coin Exchange, Baby Doge Arcade, Baby Doge NFT Marketplace, and NFT collections. So we got a lot of good stuff that's going to go on after we get out of this slump. So that's definitely going to help us out a lot. Anyways, the price prediction is still the same. Now, I do want to show you something here. Look at this. Shiba Inu started with 9 zeros, and then 6 months in, they added a whole zero. Literally 6 months in, they added a zero. What is happening with Baby Dogecoin right now? We are 6 months in. We are about to add a zero if Bitcoin and the whole crypto market continues to go on a downtrend. We are literally about to add a zero if it keeps happening. We're literally following this SHIB price plan to a T. Literally. Now, you do have to think about something. Shiba Inu has way less circulating supply than Baby Doge. I definitely understand that. So don't act like I don't know. Like, I understand. Anyways, I understand that Shiba Inu has way less circulating supply. So it's way easier for SHIB to reach 5 zeros. So in order for us to reach 5 zeros, like, our market cap is going to have to be way different. Shiba Inu's market cap at 5 zeros was about $2 billion. Our market cap at 5 zeros is going to be about $50 billion. You got to think about that. So Shiba Inu at $50 billion had it at 4 zeros and almost at 3 zeros because it was 0.00007 and it was at 50 billion market cap. So when you think about it, we are going to get there. It's just going to look a lot different for us. So in order for us to get that 5 zeros, we're going to be at that 50 billion market cap. So that's why I'm saying 5 zeros by the end of next year, not 5 zeros or not 4 zeros by the end of next year, because 4 zeros by the end of next year, it would be like 100 billion market cap. I'm not saying it can't happen, but until I see, a bunch of other coins doing 100 billion, that are already more established than us, then I can't see us at 100 billion market cap by next year. I just don't see it, until I see stuff like Cardano with the utility and Binance coin back above, 100 billion. Until I see stuff like that, and then we're not gonna see Baby Dogecoin doing what you want it to do. Baby Dogecoin does what it wants to do and not what you want it to do. Anyways, let's move on from the video, though. This is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I just wanted to show you all exactly why we're doing what we're doing and exactly what we are possibly going to see next inside of Baby Doge and the crypto market. But yeah, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.